Good day friends, this is Suresh Kumar from Zebu for Zebu School on Daily Market Update. Morning Nifty has opened a bit lower and then recovered a bit and almost at the green zone. Today being expiry day, we expect a lot of volatility in the market, but morning is not so volatile, it is kind of mild. Let's see how it goes through the day. One major thing, FIIs again started selling. Day for yesterday it was about 1,000 crores they have sold. Yesterday they sold 1,900 crores. That means FIIs hasn't changed their outlook towards the Indian stock markets or general stock market itself. They are taking the money out. So keep watching what's happening in this particular space, because how long this our retail buyers as well as the DAs going to support the market is need to wait and watch, and then we need to keep a close eye on the FII sellings. Today being expiry days, be very cautious, because when the market usually opens in the mild way, in the last 2-3 hours is going to be little volatile. That is what we learned from our experience. Let's see how it goes today too. There are two major things that happened in our announcements that has come in the international markets yesterday. One, Joe Biden, the president of America, he said that we cannot stop the inflation by pressing a button or a switch. He says like that. He says that fighting inflation is going to be very hard. The gas prices are what we call as diesel and petrol prices, they call as gas prices, is not going to come down anytime soon, no matter how hard they try. So it is going to be. So in their expectations, the fuel and food inflation is going to stay on for a while, and it is going to be a very tough thing to battle. So that is going to weigh down on their economy as well as on the stock markets. So if their economy and the stock market is to do bad, and chances are that we are also going to be facing the similar kind of problem. So inflation is here to stay, at least in the US and in the Euro economies, some part of India, in India as well. So be very mindful of this fact. So this is a big headwind. To fight against that and go up in the market, the Nifty and Sensex going up is kind of low probability event. So if you are trader, then trade with neutral or negative bias, because this is a big headwind which cannot be surmounted so easily. And JP Morgan and Chase CEO said that there is going to be a financial hurricane that is going to hit the US markets because of Ukraine war, higher commodity prices, and then inflation, quantitative tightening. So all these things are going to have a very negative impact on stock markets, particularly US stock markets, in extension the world markets too. So again, I will reiterate, make your strategies in such a way that it is negative bias, and at least for medium to short run. Short term, you need to be negative to neutral bias. Okay, so you are a long-term investor. What should you do? Buy the dip. That is the only thing a long-term investor do. Make a watch list of the companies that you are interested in. If and when it comes to the comfortable zone, your valuation zone, you are a value investors, then if you are a value investor, then keep on adding those positions. So keep a watch list, say 10 to 20 stocks, whichever falls into the value zone, keep buying it. You already have a substantial portfolio, then to protect it from falling down further, at least in the short term. Long term, things will work out all by itself, so don't have to worry about it if it's a decent portfolio. But otherwise, you can start selling calls if it is closely correlated. Your portfolio is closely correlated with Nifty, then start selling the calls every now and then to book some 0.5 to 1% per month from this, because we expect the market to be in a negative bias, or directly buy put itself. So whichever thing that suits you, do that. One of these things you need to do. And if you are not an investor or a positional trader kind of person, then my personal suggestion would be to buy long dated put options. If and when some Black Sun event happens, or some Black Friday, Black Monday, some kind of thing happens, the market is to fall a big way, you stand to gain a lot. And since it's a long dated put option, the decay, the theta decay is not going to be too high, so you can cover it up if the and roll it over to the next contract, next deep dated, long dated put options after a couple of months. So keep these strategies in mind if you are a trader. And today being expiry day, be very cautious. We expect some violent moves in the last 3 hours of trading because the market has opened in the winning mode. So if you need any specific strategy, we have given some general strategies here, but if you need any specific strategy based on your risk profile and the investment you are based on your investment, then please let us know in the comment section. We will get in touch with you. Let's work out something that is suitable only for you. This is Suresh Kumar signing off from Zebu and for Zebu School. Have a profitable trading day. Have a profitable expiry day. Thank you.